Ay, ganda ng ward mo, Palangga.
Bayad ako ng
Mahal ang bayad mo kay Queen, kay King Charles.
Charles pala. Philip ko nung
Oh.
pinaging natin. Philip, si Charles na pala.
Yeah. Si Charles na.
Just
Nice.
shuffling for you. Because they're all in order.
I'm not too sure about it.
These are quite difficult.
Pero mainit ang
So stiff.
room mo, Mangga. Yan ang gusto ni Mami dito sa doon sa bahay ikabit. Ganyan yung may hoist.
Alin?
Yan.
Ayun dito.
Oo. Sabi ko saan mo ikabit sa bubong baka mamaya
Pag ano, bigang.
bumagsak yung buong bubong.
Kasi dadalhin mo sila doon paliguan.
That's the outside sa park. That's the park outside the hospital. And these are some of the car park connection to the entrance, to the main entrance. And this is the shower room. Yes. Kailangan. Yan ang shower room ni Mommy. Yan ang shower.
Ang hotel.
Mayroon din diretso pala dito yung
Oh,
hoist.
Mrs. You say you're such a good shuffler.
Yeah.
Shuffle those ones.
So
Ako nga mo siya siya.
So the hoist is from there, going there, and then here, and to the
It doesn't know.
bathroom.
Who's that?
Not bad.
I used to work in...
There's a commode.
No, you did it. You did.
Okay.
Si Chacha.
They're very stiff, aren't they?
Okay.
You're very straight.
Nice. And it's very clean. Nice and clean. Yeah. So
Again, I get it done.
they're playing cards now.
Oh, let's play Pusoy Dos.
Oh,
Sige, sige.
okay.
Pirahan na.
Ang gambler ka. Bajun.
Parang may pambili ako dito.
Here's a main door here, and there's a washing basin also in
You
the
shuffle them. You never
in
shuffle
her
the pack in the same
porch.
order in the whole life, in your whole life. You play it every day.
Okay.
Why?
There's so many combinations. It's like a million
Million
And
combinations.
there's an aircon
At saka
outlet as well.
pati mga aircon.
And there's a rubbish bin.
Pati rubbish bin, that included.
Opo.
Maganda ba yung rubbish bin?
Yeah, it's clean. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that's Mommy and her
Wow.
ward. Ano yung Mommy?
Peace!
Peace ba? Akala ko ginagalit mo sila eh.
Peace.
Ano ba yung peace? Ganyan?
Hindi, baliktad.
Ganyan?
Oo.
Sorry.
Ganun ba mabad yun?
Sorry, peace.
Say hi.
Mama, ibaba mo kaya yung kamay mo kasi bumabalik yung
Bumabaloktot yung...
That's because it's empty now.
Yeah.
So you get rid of throw a flow backwards.
Okay. There you are.
It's nice having your